Welcome to our channel. Today at Wholesale Supplies Plus, we're talking about botanicals. If you're passionate about soap making and also curious about how to add botanicals to your recipe, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about how to add botanicals to your recipe, but most importantly, how to prevent mold when doing so. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why mold can happen when using botanicals in soap. Mold forms when moisture from the air or ingredients creates an environment for bacteria or fungi to grow. This is especially common when using fresh flowers, fruit, or improperly dried botanicals. But don't worry, you can prevent this. Here are some quick tips on how to avoid mold when using botanicals in soaps. Number 1, use dried botanicals only. Fresh flowers and herbs contain moisture, which increases the risk of mold. Stick to well-dried options like lavender, rose petals, calendula, and chamomile. Number 2, choose the right botanicals. Not all botanicals are created equal. Some, like lavender and calendula, are naturally resistant to mold and discoloration. Others, like certain fruits or fresh herbs, can spoil over time. Number 3, add botanicals strategically. For melt and pour soap, embed botanicals inside the soap rather than leaving the exposed on the surface. This reduces contact with moisture. For cold process soap, incorporate botanicals at trace or as decoration after saponification.
Now let's break down the two main methods, melt and pour soap making and cold process soap making.
Melt and pour soap is beginner friendly and ready to use quickly. Here's how to do it. Melt your soap base in the microwave or double boiler. Add dried botanicals like calendula petals or crushed rosebuds to the melted soap base. Pour into molds and let set. For extra protection, you can coat the botanicals with clear soap before embedding them. Cold process soap involves saponification, which takes longer but allows more customization. Here's a quick overview. Mix your oils and lye per your recipe. Add dried botanicals at trace. Calendula works beautifully because they don't turn brown in the soap. Pour the mixture into the mold and let it cure for 4 to 6 weeks.
Let's address some common issues and solutions.
Why do botanicals turn brown in soap? This can happen due to the reaction with lye and CP soap or prolonged exposure to moisture. Choose botanicals that retain their color. How can you prevent surface mold? Store your soaps in a dry environment and avoid adding too many botanicals to the surface, especially in humid climates. Here are some safe botanicals to use. Lavender, calendula, chamomile, rose petals. Avoid anything fresh or overly moist, like fresh fruits or vegetables, as these can spoil quickly.
And there you have it, beautiful botanical soaps without the worry of mold. Remember that using the correct botanicals and proper techniques is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you later.